In this video, we are going to solve quadratic equation by factoring. For example, x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. If the coefficient of quadratic term x squared is 1, therefore we can directly factor the given equation. So write down 2 parentheses equals 0. Then factor x squared. So the factor of x squared are x and x. Next is we are going to factor 6 in such a way that the sum of the factors of 6 is 5. So the factors of 6 we needed is are 3 and 2, because 2 times 3 is 6, then 2 plus 3 is 5. So positive, positive, therefore we are going to use positive, positive. Positive 2 times positive 3 is positive 6. Positive 2 plus positive 3 is positive 5. Next is we are going to get the value of x. So first group is x plus 2 equals 0. Then the other one, x plus 3 equals 0. Solve for x. X is equal to positive 2, transpose it, it will become to negative 2. Then the other one is x equals, from positive 3 transpose, it will become negative 3. So the value of x are negative 2 and negative 3.